Welcome back. Next step, Miro invoice verification. Now here this is one open. This line item of GRIR is open. I am going to use this window MIRO. Take 31102020. What we have to do here? This is the job of accounts payable team in real time. We are not going to do it. Select purchase order. Paste here. Press enter. System will copy this. Now what is the value here? 450. Copy this value, enter this value here. Remove this minus, press enter again. Right now we have messages here, error message. See, this is in green. We don't have any issue. Now I will simulate this. Press enter. What is the entry here? GRIR account debit, vendor account is credit. See, this is the entry. GRIR account debit, vendor account credit. Once we do this invoice verification, once we do this, post this. If everything is okay, system will post this entry. Post this. System is posting this document. Since it is the first time, it is taking time. Say one document got posted here. Click on this one. Copy this. This is MIRO, invoice verification document. This is the job of accounts payable department. Now go to SAP, close this. You can check the recently posted document from this screen itself. Go to invoice document, display. You are going to get a recently posted document. Click on follow on documents. This is the accounting document generated. Click on this one. See, this goods GRIR debit to vendor account. If you want to see that further details, this is posted from MIRO. Who posted this? The reference number, other details mentioned. This is the RE document. RE document, here we mention RE document. Now what we are going to check, go back. Next is to check GRIR report. Okay, this is the report. This is the status of report before doing invoice verification. Just to refresh this. If everything is okay, since this credit and this debit got nullified, there should not be anything in GRIR account. Just refresh. If everything is okay, it will be disappeared. Balance becomes 0. Balance of this account becomes 0. Debit and credit got nullified. If it is not getting cleared, it's supposed to clear this. So maybe we have issues from FI side. That is not our job. If GRIR account balance is 0, but still we can be able to see the entries in this report. System should clear these items actually. System should clear these items and will move these items to the cleared items. Since it is not happened here, all items are showing in open only, but technically there is no balance. So this is the job of a FI consultant. So we are not worried about this one. Now go to this purchase report ME to N. This is the status of report before doing invoice verification. Right now to be invoiced, here we have values. This is quantity, this is value. I will go back. and refresh. See, nothing is appearing in invoice verification because we have successfully completed invoice verification. Everything will be updated in PO history. Even you can go and check the PO, or if you want to see directly from here, two entries added here. One is WE, second one is REL. REL indicates this is done from MIRO, invoice verification. Hope you understand. Whatever we are doing, whether we are receiving, whether we are doing invoice verification, everything is getting updated in purchase order history. If you want to see this directly, this is purchase order. I will go to ME23N purchase order, change this, press tab, this is recent one, press enter, click on purchase history. See, this is updated here. We ordered this, we received this, we accounted this for vendor. Hope you understand. Next, check vendor report. This is vendor report. I will close this. Go to FBL1N vendor report. This is vendor. Enter vendor here, company code here, execute. See, balance is laying here for this document. From here also you can navigate to accounting document. Select this, click on a display document. Click on this one, call up document overview. This is the document posted. Go back. Now we are in vendor report. Red means this is payable.